What do you think, Boo? Whoa. Let's see, does Shay have them too?
Do you have hiccups?
No. Roma's got them. Baby.
I can't get rid of them. I can't get rid of them.
Me neither.
You do have them. You do
He
have them.
does. Jeez, are they contagious? He didn't start off with them though, you did, right?
Yeah, I started with them.
So he got him by laughing at him.
You have hiccups
That's pretty
now?
strange.
You have them, Dad?
Who's got him? Oh.